Morning, everybody. Grandpa back. Well, I dropped a big pine tree this morning. I'm going to use this for chainsaw milling to start building the heated workshop in the back of my garage up there. I got the old Maybelline down in the bush. Yeah, I call her Maybelline. Some guys hate it when you name your equipment, but she's a good old girl. She's a Polaris Ranger 570. It does a good job for me. But now I got to winch these logs out. They're all scattered all on the hill here. I've been the last, 2 hours cutting this tree, cutting all the brush, piling the brush. I'll let you have a look here. Getting caught in the trees here. Big brush pile here. And I'm on about a 30-degree angle on the bank, but you see I got 1, 2, 3, there's 4 good saw logs right there. That's a lot of lumber. So I'm just getting the winch going here, see if I can find a place to set the camera. Sorry about this. Kind of bushwhacking here a little bit. She's pretty hilly here, to say the least. All right, let's give that a go. I think I'll give you a better location here. That's not too good for you. Hang on. All right, let's give this a go. Not sure how much of that you could actually see, but I'm going to try and pull this bugger out of here. Okay, see how this is going to go. Well, I got her out down the hill. Now I got to get her hooked onto the back, and I got to drive her up this steep hill. You can see the back of the house. I mean, it just goes straight on up. Anyway, let me get turned around here and see what I can do. Okay. That's going to be a long process to get 4 logs out of here and up the hill. We'll give her a shot. Okay. I don't know if that was entertaining for you, but it was entertaining for me going up the hill. Bye for now.